Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, board certified cosmetic surgeon, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. Hair transplant is something very popular. If you see 40% of the male persons above age of 40 have got this problem. But the question is, where should they go? 25,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. These are the ads you will see plenty on social media who are offering you this treatment so cheap. Now these cheap advertisements will definitely attract more patients because everybody wants to pay less for the same treatment. But is it okay? Is it okay for you? See, you have to understand one thing very clearly, that why a doctor is charging more than an ordinary clinic. There are people who are not qualified. There are technicians, or there are some beauty clinics also who are offering this treatment without any qualified doctors. So the result is not going to be very good, though you may be paying less and thinking that you are going to have as good result as a qualified doctor will be doing, which is not possible. So why the rates vary? See, the rates are varying from, as I said, 25,000 to 5 lakh rupees also. There are people who are charging 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees. Now why so? So now you have to understand something very clearly. The setup. What is the setup where they are going to operate? Is it a full-fledged operation theatre? Is it a modular OT? Is the person who is going to do hair transplant is a qualified plastic surgeon or a dermatologist? And how long has he been operating, doing these procedures? And whether anesthesia facilities will be available in case of any emergency. So now, if these things are there, then definitely the charges will be added to that. So always try to find out why these many charges and why doctor is charging this much. Whether doctor is qualified, whether he is doing in a full-fledged operation theatre, these all, they may seem to be a very small component of your query, but no, these are the things which decide your results also. Because if I do it in my clinic, maybe the chance of infection is more because so many patients visit. But if I am doing in a hospital, in an operation theatre, then chances of infections are very less. So there are multiple factors which you have to decide. Don't go for cheap surgeries, because if you go for cheap surgeries, the result will be also same. People who are not qualified, naturally they are offering you something very cheap. There are some technicians also who are offering you hair transplant, and you think that, okay, I will get rid of my baldness, but the results may vary. You don't know the technique, what technique a technician is doing and what technique a doctor is doing, and how many grafts he is putting. I know of people who are putting only 500 grafts and they say, no, we have put 2,000 grafts, 4,000 grafts. So look at the integrity of your doctor also. Your kind of doctor is, how long has he been practicing, and whether he is experienced enough to do all these things. And you can talk to your family physician also, try to know the integrity of the doctor, because that is very important. Don't get confused by these cheap ads, these beauty clinics who have got a very great ambience, but they lack the basic infrastructure for hair transplant. So these are few factors which you have to take into account if you want to go for hair transplant surgery. And if you follow this my advice, then naturally ultimately you are going to be a very happy patient. So I hope I've conveyed my message to all of you, and still you want to know about costing of hair transplant, you are most welcome to talk to my team, and we'll be very happy to answer any of your questions. And if you like the video, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much.